Welcome to a special Halloween magic trick. I'm going to use my special cards here. These come from the Magic Kingdom. A little spoiler alert here because I've not uploaded my What We Bought with Floyd yet. But this is the Jack Skeleton cards, which are really cool because you open up the thing and it's a little coffin. Really nice little bits there. So we'll pull the cards out. We'll leave the box over there. Out the way. Now this is a trick because in this house we do not do trick or treats. There's only tricks in this house, there's no treats. So let's just take the cards out then. Let's put them down a minute. I'll put that over that side. Nice little box. I don't want to damage that little plastic box, do I? And you can sort of see there, these are not the best cards to do tricks now, to be totally honest with you, because I've already looked at these cards, but you can see there sort of thing. I found them out a little bit there, but they're all kind of randomised cards, but they're not really great cards. It's hard to spot the dots on the cards. But what? Oh, I haven't done that, have I? There's a Joker in there. The Joker of the pack. Let me see if I can find the Joker. Where is he? I know what the Joker is. There he is. There he is. There he is. There. Put him down there. Because I'll put him down there a minute. That's the Joker. The Joker's the Oogie Boogeyman. So we don't want him in there causing mischief to this trick, do we? We're putting him over there. We don't want him causing mischief. So what we're going to do is we are going to split the deck into 4 sort of roughly equal decks. So I'm going to do it that way. That's about 4 there, 2 there. Let's do it about there, and let's do it about. This is really hard, but these cards are not that great to do this with. Now let's do that again, because these cards kind of stick together. So I'm going to kind of do it a little bit about. I'm trying to do it about halfway. If I slide it, that might be better, mightn't it? That look about halfway. Make that about halfway. That's it. These cards are not the best for doing magic tricks, but I'm trying to make them 4 roughly equal decks of cards. Yeah. So if I turn over, let's just see. We got a 7 there. We got a 4. We got a 6. We got a 5. I'll show you these, and you can see what these cards are like. You see there, the way the dots are, they're not great for magic tricks. But that's a 7 we got there. I'll just put them up there. There's a 4 there. There's a 6. And there's a 5. So that's not really done anything there, other than, let's try this. Let's just deal 7 cards down. So there's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's put the 7th card down there. Let's put them over there. And let's do the same with this little deck of cards here. There's 4, so there's the 1, 2, 3, and let's bring down the 4th card there. And we put them back over there. Let's do the same with this little deck of cards here. There's 6, yeah? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's the 6th card there. So let's put him over there. And then this little deck here is 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's the 5th card there. And there we go, and let's put them over there. So I'm going to leave them there and hope they don't fall. I'll just square up my laptop a little bit there. So that's the card that we have now got. So let's just see. Has this become a match? Is this become a match? Is this become a match? And has this become a match? And the answer is yes, because I'm Jack the Pumpkin King. Happy Halloween, everybody, because that is spooky magic.